Hello, Jo here, aka Josie's Muse. Welcome to my weird little part of the world. I've had a few requests for a video on how I created these, so I'm just going to do a short little tutorial for you today and show you how I've made these backgrounds. Enjoy! Okay, so let's get started. So to start with, I'm using these. So what I'm doing is just doing a very light random scribble across the page. And then I'm coming across over the top of that pretty well straight away. There's no drying time with that. With some watercolour. At the moment, my current love is the Gansai Tambi palette, so I'm using them today. You can see immediately you're getting this bit of a resist happening on the page. The watercolour kind of eats into the crayon, and it leaves this sort of not too stark a kind of a effect. When it dries, almost eats into the crayon to give this really lovely sketchy effect. So some of the things I'm using it for are a really light background layer. This is actually the Fabriano paper for these ones over here, and this is a Strathmore paper. So you can see it affects it differently. It's a lot lighter on this paper, so I really like that for more a background effect, so it's not too dominant with the illustration. But these ones over here I think do really well for more a collage element. So you can see in this one here I've used it as a collage element and sewn it a little bit. Adds a different effect to your illustration. I hope that helps you, something new, fun to add to your work. I'll pop a few after this is dried photos at the end of this to show you. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.